retail center called Setia City Mall is located in Setia Alam, Shah Alam, Selangor, Malaysia. It is a component of SP Setia Berhad, one of Malaysian top real estate developers, lively township development of Setia Alam. The mall is unique not only because of its wide range of store options, but also because of its contemporary architecture and roomy design. With over 1.18 million square feet of net lettable area and more than 4,000 available parking bays, Setia City Mall is recognized as the largest mall in Shah Alam. 327 retailers are spread across 4 levels, creating the ultimate destination of choice for shopping, dining, entertainment, and park life in the area. Key retailers include Aeon, Parkson, Golden Screen Cinema, Fitness First, Zara, Uniqlo, Urban Fresh, Mr. DIY, Harvey Norman, Kaison, Miniso, Object, More Design, and Toy World.
Cold water and hot water supply. Setia City Mall uses indirect water system, where water is guided along plumbing systems due to a pressure differential directed from a point of high pressure to a point of low pressure. Gravity-fed water direct downwards by the loss of gravity from a high point to a low point of elevation. So, both systems are equally important, and most water distributions uses both mechanisms. The water distribution in Setia City Mall benefits from combining the two mechanisms to deliver water efficiently to its entire 4 floors. RC storage tanks used in Setia City Mall is a storage tank with a ball float valve to control the stored water. This tank will typically hold from 230 to 360 liters of water at the highest part of the building. The higher it is, the better the gravity feed pressure at the taps. As for the fire water tank that is used in Setia City Mall, due to the fire tank being in the basement of the mall, it is safe to say that the material used for its fire tanks will be fiberglass. The main features of this tank are corrosion resistance, buried design, and strong H2O structural design, where it is necessary for location where vehicle traffic is a factor, such as parking lots. There are 4 types of valves that are used in supplying water in Setia City Mall. The first one is a gate valve, compression type glove valve, angle valve, and check valve. There are 2 types of water pump that are used in Setia City Mall, which are circulation water pump and water pressure booster pump. As for the circulation water pump, the water is taken from the RC water storage tank, where it is directed towards a pump. This pump is then force water up to the roof level of the building, where the other large water tanks are located. There are also standby pumps that only function during the peak hours or in emergency cases. The second type of pump is water pressure booster pumps. That is used to provide more pressure in the water pipes for better cleaning, flushing, and irrigation. It is driven by electric motor. Water pressure booster pump are useful in this case where Setia City Mall needs a regular supply of water for irrigation. As for the water filter, Setia City Mall uses UV water filter, where the water from the domestic tank is pumped to the UV water filters before delivered to the consumer through the drinking taps. The water passes through a clear tube and is irradiated by the UV light. Most of the plastic pipes and fittings in Setia City Mall are produced from synthetic resin derived from such materials as coal and petroleum. These corrosion-resistant materials are widely used in water supply piping, fittings, and drainage systems. Most of the pipings are thermoplastics and will be repeatedly softened under the application of heat. PVCD material can carry water at 80 degrees Celsius, but plastic pipes should not be subjected to temperatures higher than this.
The basic function of the roof is to protect the building from the element. As the roof collects rain, the water must be transported quickly and safely away by a drainage system. While pitch roof can rely on gravity to move water, flat roof can't just rely on typical gravity-driven gutter system. Commercial flat roof need interior drain and scuppers to collect water instead. Setia City Mall use a different kind of system from others building for flushing rainwater from the roof, which is the siphonic drainage. Unlike traditional roof drainage, it operates at full capacity when water is sucked or siphoned from the roof down into the drain at high velocity. It allows the minimize the number of roof outlet drain and have them flow into a single dam pipe. The symponic drain incorporates an anti-vortex plate act as a buffer, allowing only water to be drawn off the roof. When heavy rainfall, the outlet drain fills above the anti-vortex, cutting off airflow into the pipe. Then it flows at 100% full over the entire system. The arrangement of washroom in Setia City Mall is spread out throughout the plane for one single floor, but the layout are the same for each level, so it can use the stack system, which the system needs to keep the pipe vertical and aligned to really optimize the disposal efficiency. It also minimizes the use of pipe where it can save some space. What is duct system? Duct system is the ventilation system in a building consists of air-moving devices such as fans and blower and a network of ducts that exhaust the contaminated indoor air and bring in air from outside the building.
Sewerage and disposal system. Sewerage systems are designed to collect, transfer, treat, and dispose of domestic waste and wastewater from the building. The system ranges from simple toilet providing little or no treatment to modern sewage treatment plants that employ mechanical means to treat large volume of sewage to acceptable environment standards. There are two types of stack system, which is the single stack system and two pipe system. In single stack system, all soil and wastewater discharge into one common pipe and all branch ventilating pipes into one main ventilating pipe. This system largely replaces the two-pipe system and lends itself very well to use in multi-story developments. It is far more economical than the two-pipe system. The other one is two-pipe systems, where the waste stack receives the discharge ablutionary fitments and convey this to the ground level where it was delivered above the water seal in a trap gully connected to the drainage system. The soil stack receives the discharge from soil appliances and delivers it direct to the underground drainage system. The waste and soil water did not combine until they reach the below ground drainage system. The arrangement of washroom in Setia City Mall is spread out throughout the plan for one single floor, but the layout are the same for each level, so it can use the stack system, which the system need to keep the pipes vertical and aligned to really optimize the disposal efficiency. It also minimizes the use of pipes where it can save some space. The mall used the stack system to remove odor, but to ensure it will be removed completely, A motion-triggered toilet exhaust fan is installed to absorb and dispose them to masonry shaft through an air duct. The fans are installed at the end of every stack pipe located on the roof, where it will release the odor out of the mold. Besides that, other mechanisms being used such non-rated dampers and volume control dampers. As you can see here, the soil and waste management been installed a lot around the mall surroundings, where all of it are connected. All the waste products or disposal water pass through the sewerage system before it finally disposed into the main sewer. The waste that coming from the sanitary appliances are discharged to the soil stack pipe, where it be directed to the nearest manhole inspection chamber. Large numbers of sewage fixtures are installed to accommodate large amount of waste from all the facilities from the mall. All of these will flow to the grease interceptor for it to reduce the speed of wastewater flow. By doing that, it can separate all the debris from the wastewater. From there on, it will move to inspection chamber.
Next is refuse collection and disposal. The indoor and outdoor recycle bins allows the waste recycling by retailers and shoppers. In SCM, the recycling center outside the mall allows workers to segregate the cardboard from the paper, plastic, and organic discard. Next, we move to fire protection system. This part will review the fire protection system in Setia City Mall. The fire protection system is divided into passive as well as active, whereby each features and components will be discussed in detail with its functions, purposes, as well as the locations explained. Fire protection refers to procedures taken to prevent or delay fire from becoming destructive, reduce the impact of uncontrolled fire, which could save lives and properties. There are three basic essentials of fire protection. Firstly, study of fire. It is to learn the causes of fire, fire extinguishing techniques, detections and extinguishing equipment and their use, and the rules and regulations related to building construction. Next is active fire protection. It includes manual or automatic detection of fire, the use of fire and smoke alarm, firefighting, and first aid. For passive fire protection, it is designed of building and infrastructures, use of fire-resistant material in construction. Component of fire protection system. First, we start with fire alarm system. Fire alarm system is a set of devices that's purpose is to alert the occupant through audio appliances when smoke or fire is present within the building. The second component of fire protection system is fire pump. Fire pump is a component of a big fire extinguishing system water supply of a building. It is powered by diesel. The purpose of a fire pump is to increase pressure of the water, which for the water sprinklers and hose reels. Fire pump in Setia City Mall is located in the lower ground floor along with the fire tank. Next component is sprinkler. Water sprinkler is a fire active protection measure. It works by dispersing water to put out fire within the area where the sprinklers has been activated automatically due to extensive heat. Next component of fire protection system is smoke and heat detector. The type of smoke detectors that can be found in Setia City Mall are the spot type units. Just like smoke detectors, these heat detectors send signal to the control panel and trigger the alarm to alert occupants. Beam smoke detectors can also be found in Setia City Mall. Next is fire hose reel. Fire hose reel is a high pressure hose. Its purpose is to channel pressure water to the base of fire to be extinguished. In Setia City Mall, fire extinguisher can be found in many common places such as the entrances, exits, lift lobbies, corridors that lead to the toilets, and many more.